Hello everyone and welcome back to another Math tutorial video. In case you are wondering what's happened to your webcam and your microphone and why do you get back to your old setup, okay, the reason is apparently my microphone just ran out of battery, guys. Okay, so until I get a replacement of my new battery, so I'll be stick to this old setup. Okay, by the way, I literally miss this, guys. Okay. So without further ado, let us start to read the question. So in case if you don't know what we are going to discuss today, so we're going to do some series of differentiation question. So this is the first question. So under the first derivative subtopic. So let me read the question now. If y equals to 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 9x plus 8, find the value of dy over dx when x equals to -1. Okay, so this is the question that we're going to solve now. Okay, apparently this differentiation question is one of the easiest that can possibly ask for you guys, okay, as a student. So let me solve this question for you now. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this equation under here. So from here, y is equals to 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 9x plus 8. Okay, so this is the original y equation. So for the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to differentiate this equation with respect to x. Okay, so from here, so you differentiate this with respect to x, so it will get dy over dx. Okay, so you differentiate this, you should be getting 6x squared. Okay, so the 3 you times with 2 and the 3 the power you minus with 1. So that's how you get the 6x squared. So let us proceed to the second expression. Okay, negative 5x squared. So you differentiate this. The 2 you times with negative 5. So from here you get is negative 10. So the x squared, the power square, you minus with 1. So you're only left with x to the power of 1. So apparently the 1 you don't need to write. You can just leave it like this. It is understood, guys. Okay. So from here, for the third expression, negative 9x. The 1 you times with negative 9. So from here you get is negative 9. The power 1 you minus with 1. You get x to the power of 0. X to the power of 0 is apparently is 1. So negative 9 you times with 1 is negative 9. Okay, so from here you get here negative 9. So since this is a constant, so you can just leave your answer with 0. So apparently you don't need to write the 0, guys. We can just leave your answer in this way. Okay, so from here you get your dy over dx is equals to 6x squared minus 10x minus 9. Okay, so up until here, I hope you guys are clear about the working. So from here, we're going to use the x equals to -1 value and we're going to substitute into the dy over dx equation. Okay, so from here, okay, let me write in the working here. When x is equals to -1, okay, so from here, your dy over dx is equals to 6 times with 1 square minus with 10 times with -1 minus 9. Okay, so and then when you solve this, you should get, so 6 times with -1 square, so this -1 square, so you get is 1, so 6 times with 1, get is 6. So negative 10 times with -1. So from here get is positive 10. So negative 9 will be negative 9. So 6 plus 10 minus 9. You should be getting your answer is 7. Okay. So from here you get your dy over dx is equals to 7, guys. Okay. So let me underline the solution for this question. Okay. So we are done with the question 1. So I hope you guys are clear about this. So from here, let us proceed our discussion to the question number 2 now. Okay, let me read the second question now. If y equals to 4x minus 3 in a bracket and then you times with 3x plus 5, find the dy over dx. So we require to differentiate this set of expression over here. Okay, so this question is considered to be unique, guys, because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to solve this using two methods. Okay, for the first method, what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this bracket. And from there, I'm going to perform the differentiation. Whereas for the second method, I'm going to solve this using the products rule. Okay, so let us begin with the method 1. Okay, so this will be your method 1. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy down this equation into the working here. So from here, y is equals to, in a bracket, 4x minus 3, okay, and then you times with 3x plus 5, close bracket. Okay, so from here what I'm going to do now is I'm going to expand the bracket. So from here, 4x times with 3x, so from here you get is 12x squared. So 4x times with 5, so from here you get is 20x, so it is positive 20x. Okay, proceed with this expression. So negative 3 times with 3x, so from here you get is negative 9x. Okay, and the last one, negative 3 times with 5, so from here you get is negative 15. Okay, so you solve this expression. So from here you get is 12x squared, so 20x minus 9x, so from here you get is positive 11x, and then minus with 15. Okay, so this is your y expression. So from here we're going to proceed with the differentiation of this y with respect to x. So from here let us differentiate this equation. So from here dy over dx is equals to, okay, let us start one by one. So 12x squared, so you differentiate is, so from here you get is 24x. Okay, so 11x you differentiate, you only left with 11. Okay, negative 15 you differentiate, you will get 0. Okay, since this is a constant. Okay, so this is your answer, guys, dy over dx, which is equals to 24x plus with 11. So let me underline this. Okay, so this is for the method 1. Okay, like I said, I'm going to solve this using 2 methods over here. So this is the method 1. For the method 2, I'm going to solve this similar question using the products rule. Okay, so let me write the method 2 here. Okay. Okay, as usual, I'm going to copy down this equation over here. So from here, y is equals to, in a bracket, 4x minus 3. Okay, and then in the bracket times with 3x plus 5. Okay, so since we are going to solve this using the products rule, okay, I'm going to label this first bracket as a u and this second bracket as a v. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear about this. So from here you know that your u is equals to 4x minus 3. So when you differentiate this with respect to x, so from here you get is du over dx. So from here 4x minus 3, you differentiate this, you get is 4. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear about this. So we are solving the u first. Okay, so your u expression is 4x minus 3. So when you differentiate u with respect to x, so from here you get is 4. Okay, we are done with u. Let us focus with the v now. Okay, in this case your v is equals to 3x plus with 5. So now you differentiate the v with respect to x. Okay, dv over dx. Okay, when you differentiate this equation, so from here you get is 3. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear up until now. So for the next step, what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to cross multiply this. So u times with dv dx. Okay, and then you plus with v times with du dx. Okay, so you cross multiply and then you plus them together. Okay guys, so I hope you guys are clear about this. So let me copy down the working in the next page. Okay, so please hold on. So from here, your dy, wait guys. So your dy over dx will be equals to u dv dx plus v du dx. Okay, so this is your expression based on what we have done in the working. So from here to find your dy over dx, so it will be equals to, so your u is 4x minus 3. So your dv over dx in this case is 3. Okay, so you times with 3. Okay, and then you plus with v over here. So in this case, your v, we have written in the working here, it is 3x plus 5. So from here, it will be 3x plus 5. Okay, and then you times with du over dx. So the differentiation of u with respect to x. So you differentiate 4x minus 3. So from here, you get is 4. Okay, so you solve this. Okay, so you expand the 3. So from here, you get is 12x minus 9. Okay, and then plus with 12x plus 20. So this is your dy over dx. Okay, so you solve this equation. So from here you get your dy over dx is equals to, so 12x plus with 12x you get is 24x. So negative 9 plus with 20, so from here get is positive 11. And there you go, you still get the same answer. So let me underline the solution for the method 2. Okay, whether if you want to do method 1 or method 2, it is up to the students, guys. I'm just showing you that it is possible for you to solve using 2 methods over here. But when you're doing in the examination, you need to consider the time. Okay, so in this case, I'll recommend you to do using method 1 as it much faster. But if you are still weak in the differentiation topic, I'll recommend you to do this method 2, even though method 2 is slightly longer. But as you do more practice, I'm sure that you will able to solve this type of question quickly. Okay. So that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, make sure that you give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. And not forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.